Welcome back to our channel. Ever had one of those days where you're kicking back and relaxing, and suddenly, you're in the middle of a mini indoor flood thanks to your washing machine? Now imagine if you had a tiny, super smart device, a leak sensor, to the rescue. These little warriors detect water leaks in real time, ensuring your washing machine doesn't turn your home into a swimming pool. Imagine this. The leak sensor spots trouble. It sends an alert straight to your smartphone. You rush over, turn off the machine, and poof, crisis averted. Pair these with automated shut-off valves, and you can even have the water supply cut off automatically when a leak is detected. That's right, no wet feet, no water damage, just a simple notification, and your house remains as dry as a desert. Join the leak sensor revolution and wave goodbye to those unexpected indoor floods. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more life-saving, flood-preventing, home tech tips. Stay dry, until next time.